So today is, the theme of today, I don't need to go into much detail with the great introduction from Simon, but the theme of today is peace. And with that theme of peace, it's an opportunity for both of us to show off our culture, and show our music, and to express it in a peaceful way, and just continue with that theme. And hopefully, like Simon said, this won't be the last.
Sudan. Sudan is a wonderful place, unique and fun, where the sun can shine and glimmer.
I cried inside, weeping tears of regret, months and even years after my brother left. Like a neglected sibling, unfavored by a heavy-handed father. For me it was hard, but for you it was infinitely harder.
And legends. For you we sang songs of loyalty and love. Your past saw irrigated with our blood. For you we cried endless tears. We embraced you with our eyes. We died for you and with you.
Oh, I think today's event went amazing. Everybody had a good time, and it was a nice infusion of peoples. So I really appreciate it. I had a good time.
South Sudan was a great day. We had such a diverse variety of acts, poetry, great fashion show, and we ended with a great party at the end, and everyone got involved. Really great day.
Yeah, no, I'm really happy with the event today. It puts a face to the labels. We don't just call each other, or the labels that we give each other, like the Arabs and the Southerners, the Northerners. It shows that we're all smiling and love music and love fashion and love art and culture and food. And with more of these events, like, it can really promote dialogue, and it's always positive to have a dialogue and peace and us moving forward.
It's very interesting. I especially like the poetry of one of the Jamaican lady that was really good. Also the fashion show, very interesting.
Hello, my name is Malik. I'm the chairman of the Youth Factor. I'd like to thank everyone who came to the event today. I think it was a real success. The aim was to promote the culture and the beauty of the people of Sudan. And I think we achieved that today. It was a really beautiful energy that was felt all around, and I'm very happy to have attended and been part of such a great event. So thank you to everyone that came, everyone that worked hard to make